This 2022 Grand Design Momentum 376R is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 1 inch in length and features 5 slideouts, a gray-brown interior, sleeps 6, awning, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, skylight, LP detector, slideout, air conditioning, external shower, spare tire kit, water heater, and 115 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Momentum 376R is 15,900 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.